Hey guys, this is Lloyd from Tech Rookies, and today I'm going to show you how to make professional profile pictures for your social media. Open Chrome and go to ppfmaker.com. Click on the plus icon to upload your picture. Choose the picture you want to upload. The website will start generating profile pictures. The tab. And download the picture by clicking the download icon next to the picture. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video.